In this video, I'm going to show you available withdrawal methods in Ospreyfx, right? So how you can find it, it's very easy thing to do. You have to just go to this website, and once you're here into the official website, on the top right side corner, you will get two options: login and sign up. So you have to click on login because you have to log in into this website to withdraw your amount, right? Once you click on the login, it will ask a credential, basically your username and your password, right? And you have to add your email and password and just click on sign in, and that's it. And after that, you have to follow these guidelines, these steps which I'm going to show you. So you have to navigate to the withdrawal tab in your account dashboard and just click on withdrawal. Select the withdrawal method you prefer. Here are the three popular ones. The first one is Bitcoin. You can withdraw using profits by Bitcoin, debit or credit cards. If you deposit using a credit or debit card, you can withdraw up to the same amount you deposited with the card, right? And the last one is a via a bank transfer. Usually it's take around 3 to 4 days, but if you just want instantly, then Bitcoin and credit and debit card is the best method. Now here, after that, you have to enter the amount. Once you select the payment method, now confirm the details and submit the withdrawal request. That's it, right? So here I have added some extra information regarding depending upon whatever you choose your payment method. And last, you need to verify your identity to be able to withdraw funds at any time. So here, this is very easy thing to do. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.